Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce without vinegar. Many people prefer a naturally sweet and savory sauce, and it's easier than you think to achieve that perfect balance. We'll focus on using the natural acidity of fresh tomatoes and a few key ingredients to create a delicious, vibrant sauce. Get ready to transform your kitchen into an Italian trattoria with this simple, yet incredibly flavorful recipe. Let's get started on this culinary journey together. For our vinegar-free sauce, selecting the right tomatoes is crucial. Aim for about 5 pounds of ripe Roma or San Marzano varieties, known for their sweetness and low water content. You'll also need 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a generous bunch of fresh basil. Start by coring and quartering your tomatoes, then finely dice the onion and mince the garlic. This careful preparation sets the stage for a truly exceptional sauce. Now, let's get cooking. In a large pot, sauté your diced onion and minced garlic in a few tablespoons of olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Next, add your quartered tomatoes. A small pinch of sugar can help balance the natural acidity of the tomatoes without needing vinegar. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly for at least 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your sauce has simmered, it's time for the finishing touches. You can blend it to your preferred consistency, whether you like it perfectly smooth or with a few chunky bits. Stir in a generous amount of fresh basil and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This sauce is perfect for pasta, pizza, or as a base for other dishes. For more great cooking tips and to find deals on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade, vinegar-free tomato sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.